When my dad inherited an old mansion from a distance, we thought it was just a blessing. The house was massive, beautiful, but something about it felt off. The air was cold, the halls were silent. Sometimes I swore I could hear whisper when no one else around. One Sunday night, my parents had to visit a family friend in the city. I stayed behind to finish my thesis. My laptop was under repair, so I used the old desktop computer in the living room. Hours passed. The time I finished, it was already 2 in the morning. The house was silent, too silent. I turned off the lights and went upstairs. Exhausted, I lay down and quickly drifted to sleep. But around 3 a.m., I woke up to the sound of someone crying. It was soft, first, like a woman quietly sobbing. I tried to ignore it, thinking was just a dream. But sweeping grew louder. When I saw her, a woman, a white stood near the window. Her back turned to me. Her hair was long and messy, covering his face as she looked outside. Ma, I whispered. The woman stopped crying slowly. She turned around. Her face was pale, twisted hollow. Her eyes were empty. Her mouth stretched into a natural grin. I wanted to scream, but nothing came out. Everything went black. When I opened my eyes, my mom sitting beside me, gentle stroking my hair, I burst into tears and told her everything. She smiled and everything. It's just a nightmare, anak. Relieved, I hugged her tightly, but I looked over her shoulder. I froze. Outside the window, but in the morning light, was my mother watering her plants.